Alright, so this is the end of chapter 3, I think. Let's see if we can start this up. I'll show you a couple of things. So on this is basically, it's spawning the drops based upon the level. I think before it was just spawning drops. For Mac, this is still just doing, where you click is where it moves, and this speed, I want to say this, the speed, no, it looks like the speed is constant now. I remember at one point in time the speed would be slower if you were closer, but I think it's a constant speed now. So that's no big deal. The one thing I'll show before I switch over to where it's modified on iOS, I don't understand this. So it's saying the CPU of this app is 20%, and in this BTOP program, it's 1.8%. Or no, here it is. Scoop drop is 1.2. So I thought maybe that's normalized. I don't know what the percentage, what the difference there is. But the memory here is 50 megabytes. And here, the memory is 115. So it's much higher. So I don't know exactly. The frames per second that's reported there is the same as the frames per second reported there. But whatever, that's that. Let's stop this. And part of the reason why I want to, do I have the game controller on this one? I got the game controller code on the other little game snippet thing I was playing with just to hook the game controller to it. So I want to hook that to this, so I'm not really wanting to change it. But let's pull this over, and now it'll run on the simulator. And here you have to be moving the guy, right? If you click over here, it doesn't do anything. But if you click on him, he moves. So it's just a little bit different. And I didn't come up with this. It was literally just the code here, and I was just putting some breakpoints in to look at it. That's the original. The other thing that I did differently was when she did the calculation. I like this style a little better. I can see what this is without all the parentheses, and I'm just going to take the inverse there and use the min and max rather than doing the ifs, just to make it do like that. So anyway, so that's that. A little bit each day. It helps.